All right, everybody, how you doing? Pretty excited about this. This came from Dependable Flame. Go check out his YouTube channel. Link will be in the description. And if you want to win one of these Zippos, you got to like and subscribe to his channel and comment on one of his videos, and you could be entered in a draw to win one of these Zippos. I haven't opened these yet. I haven't seen these yet. We're going to check these out, and we're going to see what's going on here. Cut the tape. Now, he is a dealer of antique lighters on eBay. He has a website, he has an eBay account, he has it all. He donated these to the channel. Okay, there we go. Got the box open. He's got a card. And I don't know, there's some personal information written on the card. I'll just cover that part up, but check him out. Dependable Flame, that's his YouTube channel. Check him out. First thing I have to say out of the box is that, like, I'm gonna get rid of this box here. First thing I have to say is that this is very well packed. Nice eBay thing here. Oh, look at that. It wasn't even taped. I could reuse the bag. Very nice, Joe. Very nice. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look how these are wrapped. Oh, look at that. That is very nice. I have to say, that is very nice. Look at these. Look at how these are wrapped. Bubble wrap in a plastic bag. I'm keeping all this and I'm reusing it. First off. Well, so since I love brass, let's start off with the brass. Let's see what we got here. These are all vintage, meaning all basically 30 years old. Some even older. You will see as it goes on. So this is an old brass, and I have to say that black tarnished patina is wild. I love that. It takes a long time to get a brass to look like this, guys. So that is very nice. It appears to be a G01. All right, so it's a 2001. Let's see what the insert is. Insert is a D01. Oh, nice. All right. That's pretty sweet. I like that. That is a nice zip. I love the look of that. I love the look of that tarnished brass, man. I have to say, I'm loving this zip right now. The rest of these are chrome. And then the next, what do we got here? Just a 90s April. Old insert. A J90s too. I don't know what year. I'd have to look at the chart. I don't know all the Roman numeral years off by heart. Sorry, guys. So that's pretty cool. What do we have here? I like this wrapping. Like I said, I'm reusing this. When you call Dependable Flame, you're getting good stuff here. Mr. B. I don't know who that is. This is a chrome. Another 90s. Another April. No insert. Very nice Zippo. Minimal damage. Some nice wear and tear from use. And looks like somebody gave it up. And we got here a Slim. The old Slim Diggity. CES. So whatever lady owned this lighter, it was CES. It's got the nice lines in it. Very nice. I believe with the 2 dots is a 63 or something. 63, 64. I don't know off the top of my head, but I believe that's what the 2 dots are. Correct me in the comments if you know. Oh, can't slide this one back in here. There we go. Love this wrapping. Love this packaging. Like, that's how Zippo should send it back from repairs. When you send something to Zippo for repairs, this is how it should come back to you. kudos to Dependable Flame for getting it done. Here, I'll leave his card right here for the video. Just amazing. So we're getting into some pretty older lighters here. It seems like my eye was, because in the beginning of the video you probably seen I was rearranging them. I was trying to rearrange them from youngest to oldest. I could see, because I knew I had pictures of the videos of these Zippos he sent me, so I had something to go by. This just got some stuff on it. It'll wipe off because that's just chrome, so it's not going to stain it. It's got the lines on it. It's not engraved. It's not engraved. It has a spot there to be engraved, so anybody who wants to engrave their initials on here, there's an open Zippo to do that. And it's a classic Zippo too, so you don't find these very often with the engraving piece not engraved. So that's pretty sweet that nobody ever engraved it for how old this lighter is and how many hands it's been through. What is that? 70, 75, 76? I don't know. I don't remember what the 6 slashes to the right mean. I think that's what that is, though. I'm pretty sure. Like I said, I don't have a chart in front of me. I should have had one actually for the video so I could properly identify it. But like I said, I'm not an American Zippo expert either, so I don't know too much. I learn as I go. But this has the, I can't see it on the camera. What does it say? Yeah. Well, it is the insert that would go with it because it's a complete flat bottom. It's got the right markings everywhere. It only has writing on one side, Zippo writing. They didn't introduce the safety warnings on the other side till later. Oh, it's a little dusty. I have to clean this up. So this will be a fun video to clean up too, because I'm just going to clean this up. I'm not doing any work to it. There's no reason to. It's in great shape. There's no reason to ruin anything of the original. The most I'm going to do is just clean this all completely up. Maybe do a little bit of tightening. I'm going to leave this out because we're going to use this as a reference for something later in the video. As we break to the bigger parts of the video, guys, this is going to get a little more interesting because these next two Zippos are very, very old. I separated them because I could see them through the bag, which ones they are. You could tell the worn one and you could see the emblem on this one. So I already knew these were going to be the oldest. That's why I shoved them to the side. This lineup I did through the bag worked out actually pretty perfect. So now, this Zippo right here, very good condition, old Zippo. Pay close attention to this hinge. This is a 70s hinge, okay? Different size. You could tell the different sizes. Look at how they changed the pin size. Like, take a very good look at that, okay? And that's a 70s Zippo. Oh, sorry, that one doesn't go there. I don't have a 50s, so I don't have anything compared to, but now you'll see, oh, and it's got a reverse stamp on the bottom too. It's got a reverse stamp, so this Zippo is already pretty sweet. It's got the, you know, this stamp you would have seen from like 46 to 54 or 53 or something like that, and then they changed to this stamp until the 70s. I'm just looking for things because I've been doing a lot of research on it. And this P, this is a new lighter, right? Like, it does not have a lot of wear. It doesn't have a lot of damage, right? So you know the bottom stamp is good. And if you're comparing this bottom stamp to other ones you're going to find online, you're going to notice some things. Like, you got to watch where the O lines up with the D and the F in Bradford and the E and the I in here. And you got to watch where the Z and the dot line up and where the I and the P line up. And you got to look for imperfections. The P isn't stamped all the way right here. So that was a common thing in a 49, all right? So this could be a 49 because a 49 was brass with chrome. And they, 47, 48, 49, and 50 were all brass with chrome lighters, right? Then the Korean War happened. In 1951, they started making lighters out of steel. And before that, if you have older ones, they were made out of nickel silver, actually, too, before 47. Or was it the 47s? I don't actually remember. It was like the 47s and the 46s were made out of nickel silver. Pretty cool stuff. You just got to go research it. It's pretty interesting. You go down a rabbit hole of research. But there's this one website where Buddy has all the pictures and all the bottom stamps of every one and verified year Zippos. It's pretty interesting. And that's what leads me to believe that this one might be a 49 because everything's lining up. But the problem is here, I noticed in the picture, this isn't the original insert. This is actually like from a 50 Zippo. See the new patent number? This patent number and this patent number, they do not match. See that? The patent numbers do not match. So this is a 50s insert. This is a 50s insert. The insert is not original to this. But due to the markings on here in that super wide hinge, I don't know. It's pretty tough. Now, finally, for this piece right here. This is the piece that I am the most excited about. This has got to be a 50s, a 51, 52, more than likely a 51 because of the bottom stamp. The 52s and 53s, the O's were over the E and the I. See, like you could see, people said that, oh, they used the same bottom stamp. They used the same bottom stamp throughout the 40s and early 50s, but look, they don't line up in the same places. They're the same configuration, but the way they did things back then, the materials they used, there's malfunctions, they had to make new stamps. Nothing was ever perfect and never done the same, right? So even though they're from the same, only a couple years apart, the stamps are different. And just look at the hinge. Look at how they used to do the hinge back then. Man, Zippo used to make a good hinge. I love that. This hinge, I think, was replaced. It looks like it's been replaced before. But see, you could see it is slightly smaller. You could tell that the pin on this one is slightly smaller. That's why I'm also thinking that this case is a 49, because when they introduced the 5-barrel hinge in 49, it was the widest and biggest 5-barrel hinge they ever had. After this, they started shrinking down the hinge, guys. So that, with this and these markings on the bottom, make me believe that this is a 49, very good condition, brass on chrome Zippo. And then as we look at this, you could easily tell that this is a steel chrome plated Zippo because there's rust and there's no brass on the inside. And judging by the date markings, there's patterns on here too that also point this to a 51, because the 52 and the 53, the O started moving over the E and the I again. You could go to this website and check it out. He's got them and he shows off all these things and techniques and tricks I had learned. And then you see they started to shrink down the hinge. And then the insert too also matches that it would be the early 51. They have pictures of all these bottom stamps on the inserts and they all line up. You get the open face right here. You got the diagonal weave on the flint wheel. Sorry, I'm just looking at other things while I'm trying to talk. Yeah, you got the squared version of the cam. Very nice Zippo, flat top. Funny tinge to it though. It's got a funny color to it. But from what I was researching online too, the way these all lined up too, this was the only one I can find like this. The letters change a tiny little bit and the spacing changes a little tiny bit over the years on these Zippos. So with all this evidence that I could find online, it leads me to believe that this is a 51. Right here, this would be a 51. This is a steel case. This is a very rare Zippo. This is a Korean War Zippo. This could have even been there. I like to think that these small dents that are in it are probably, you know, stopped Korean pea shooters or something. Like, that would be amazing. But all in all, I can't ever prove that, and I don't know. But this is definitely from that era. This is one of those Zippos. This is a steel case. There's no ifs and buts around that. Like, look at the bottom. There is no brass. This is a steel case. It's rusting on the inside. It's definitely steel. Where the screw of the insert there that keeps in the flint, you could see it's made an imprint at the bottom there of corrosion. I'm trying to get good lighting on this, but obviously I can't. But yeah, that's all steel in there, man. That is all steel. And if this was a nickel silver case, you wouldn't see rust. So I know it's not a nickel silver case. And the bottom stamp doesn't match up with a 47 or a 48 or a 46 when they had the nickel silver cases. But so this is pretty cool. This is a really rare find. I cannot believe Dependable Flame sent this in. This guy is amazing. He said all he wanted me to do was customize him one, send it to him, and customize one for you guys and give it away on the channel. So we're going to see what happens. Like I said, everyone go subscribe and like to Dependable Flame. Go check them out. I'm going to do more research on these. I'm going to do more research on these videos, and I'm going to make a video of showing the different points and what I'm talking about, the differences to show you guys. Because I know I'm saying all the stuff and you're not seeing it. So I'm going to make a video. I'm going to put it all in there, and you guys can check that out. But these are very nice lighters. Dependable Flame. Joe, thank you, man. That was so cool of you to do. I'm going to be doing your custom Zippo, and I'm going to be doing one for the channel too. But if you want to win it, you got to go over to his channel. You got to like, subscribe, comment, share, all on his channel, guys. This is all about Dependable Flame. Thank you very much, Joe. That was so cool. And guys, he posts videos of antique lighters like almost every day. And most of the stuff he posts is for sale. You can go check him out. He's a good guy. This is the type of packaging you're going to get with him. Nice bubble wrap in bags. Like, this guy's amazing. And he does a little bit of work and this and that. He's a smart guy to talk to. He knows a lot. You know, he's just a great guy to talk to, and he always responds. He gets back to you same day usually. Very good guy to deal with. Everyone, go check him out. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching the video.